Begin by attaching the seal-off to a junction within 18 inches according to NEC Article 501-15A4. Strip off the outer jacket of your cable, leaving enough distance for wires to pass through seal-off and junction. Tape the ends of your cable to make it easier to push through. When using a cord grip, the outer cord jacket should only reach about an inch into the seal-off to allow fiber to surround each cable strand. Thread the cable through the seal-off, leaving enough on the other end for wiring equipment. Separate the wires inside the seal-off and insert fiber. Pack fiber into one side to form a dam for the sealing compound. Repeat for the other side. Separate wires as you insert the fiber. Mix your sealing compound according to the instructions. In this instance, we use 2 parts compound, to 1 part water. The consistency should be like so, not real runny, but enough to pour smoothly into the seal-off. Pour the sealing compound into the seal-off while avoiding the threads. In a rapid motion, tap the compound to work out any air bubbles and get it to settle. Add more compound as necessary up to the bottom rim of the seal-off port. Once filled, allow time to harden before replacing the plug. Installation is now complete.